Hello friends, in this video we're going to practice should, could, and would. So before we start, let's look at should. Should is an advice, a recommendation. You should when you think something is a good idea. Now, could and would might sound similar, but let's look at the difference. Could is a polite request, while would is simply being polite, being kind, being nice. And also you can use this for imagining things and for future from the past. And could is possibility or even an ability required for something. So let's practice filling in the blanks. We have the first example. Let's read it carefully and try to find some hints. So, you look tired. All right, so tired, you, blank space, go to bed. So if you're tired, you're telling your friend or whosoever to go to bed. So you're giving them an advice, a recommendation to stop being tired. So you should go to bed earlier. Number 2, when I was 5 years old, I, blank space, ride a bike. So your hint here is when I was 5 years old. For this one is I could ride a bike. So because it's an ability, you either know how to do something or not. And now for number 3, that's a question. And blank space, you like some coffee. So in a nice and polite, kind way, you use would you like some coffee? So for this one, it's would. Number 4, I think you, blank space, study for the test. So I think. Why? Because if you study for the test, you want your friend or whoever who's doing the test to nail it, to get A plus, to pass the test. So you're giving them an advice. I think you should study for the test. Nice. Number 5, it, blank space, snow tomorrow. Right? So tomorrow, do we know what will happen tomorrow? Not really. The weather is very cold. So, either the weather can change, yes, or it either might not change. So there's a possibility that something that it might snow. So it could snow tomorrow. The weather is very cold. So number 5 is good. Number 6, if I had more free time, wow, I, blank space, learn another language. So your hint here is if, right? If only, right? You had free time, so you can sit down, you can imagine. If you had free time, you could do other things. So if I had free time, I could learn another language or any other activity. So for this one would be I would learn another language. If I had more free time, I would learn another language. Number 7, you please. So I'm being polite here. Please open the window. But opening the window requires an ability because you might not be able to for a reason. Maybe you don't have strength. So the best one is ability, but you're asking for something politely. So you're asking for a request. So could you please open the window for number 7? Let's look at number 8. Fast food. You, blank space, not eat so much fast food. Why? It is unhealthy. So here you're giving an advice that you should not eat so much fast food. It is unhealthy. Yeah, so this is a recommendation. Stop eating fast food. It's not good for you. Number 9, my grandfather blank space, run very fast when he was young. Right, so this was an ability the grandfather used to have when he was very young. Now he doesn't have it, so the ability, my grandfather could run very fast when he was young. Now he doesn't run that fast. Number 10, I, blank space, like to order a hamburger, please. All right, so the word please, being polite, so I would like to order a hamburger, please. Now it's your turn to try some examples by yourself. So in this practice now, you need to circle the correct answer, pause the video, try by yourself, and we will check the answers together. So let's read the first one. You are sick, right? So if you're sick, you blank space, see a doctor. So here you're giving your friend an advice, a recommendation. You're sick, so A, circle A, you should see a doctor. So this is an advice. It's very important to go see a doctor, so you should see a doctor. Number 2, blank space, you help me carry this box. Okay, help me carry, there's a request, because carrying the box you need ability to, because if you are not strong enough, well, you can carry this box, you can't. So we can ask for this using could. Could you please, could you help me carry this box? Number 3, if I were rich, right? I'm not rich, but if I were, so just imagine that I blank space buy a big house. Well, you're imagining you were rich, so you're not. So imagine. So for this one, it is would, because we use would when you use your imagination. So if I were rich, I would buy a big house. Number 4, when I was younger, I blank space play basketball every day. So when I was younger, now maybe for some reason, maybe I'm busy, I don't have the time, maybe I had a small injury, so I can't really do it now. So maybe I lost the ability. When I was younger, I could play basketball every day. Good. Number 5, you blank space wear a jacket. It is cold outside. All right, wear a jacket. Why? It is cold outside. You can get sick, right? So you're giving someone advice, a recommendation. So you should wear a jacket. It is cold outside. Number 5, should. Letter B. Number 6, you like some dessert, right? So you're asking someone politely about giving them something. So would you like some dessert? Number 7, it blank space be dangerous to drive in this weather. So here is could, because it's possible to drive. The weather might change and the situation might also change, so there's a possibility that the weather might be good or bad, so it could be dangerous to drive in this weather. Letter B. Number 8, the students should listen to the teachers. This is a recommendation and an advice for students that they should listen to their teachers. Nice. So now I hope you understand how to use should, could, or would.